Welcome to writing an excellent dissertation with the help of SPACELESS. This is the first presentation of 2. Hello, my name is Maureen Finn. I'm Senior Tutor at the University of Manchester Language Centre, and Roger Harrison is the Director of Studies in Postgraduate Education for Public Health Online Learning. Hello, Roger and I put together this talk on spaceless and dissertation writing, and we hope you find it useful. It's a good idea to print out the slides before you begin, as there are parts where you might want to stop the presentation and read from the slides. So, why spaceless? Well, in order to be able to write successfully and without anxiety, you need to have a level of confidence in performing a given behaviour, in this case, in writing for your master's dissertation. You really need to believe that you can write effectively for your specific situation. And how can spaceless help? Well, to write successfully, you need to take control of your writing schedule. This is distance learning, and you have to decide when you write, and you have to decide how you're going to meet your deadlines. You need to write regularly. You need to write for yourself because writing supports your learning. You need to rewrite after feedback because that's what makes your writing stronger. And you need to get support. Everyone needs support from family and friends, from work colleagues, from tutors and supervisors, and from peers. And this latter is what Spaceless does. It puts you in contact with people who are doing the same as you. If you haven't already joined Spaceless and you want more information about it and you want to know how to join, contact your dissertation tutor for information. So, thinking about writing, supported by Spaceless. So the next slide contains text for you to read. If you've not printed out your presentation, you might want to stop the presentation on the next slide to take time to read it, and then start it again to hear the commentary. First things first, the title. It's often difficult to find an effective title for your writing. Starting with a question, starting with a scientific question is important. And then narrowing down your question so that you focus on specific aspects is essential. Look at how these students have achieved this. Can you see the scientific question that underlies each title? And can you see exactly what areas of this scientific question the writers will focus on? The title is the backbone of your dissertation. It tells your reader what your scientific question is. The keywords in your title will guide your literature search. And this third point is absolutely vital. It guides you in all the writing choices you make. It guides every piece of content that you put in your writing. It guides the structure of every paragraph and every sentence. And your title allows people to search for and find your work. Remember to get support when you're deciding on your essay title and you're defining it. Use Spaceless to discuss your title choices. Discussion and feedback always makes your work stronger. And working with your peers is an important part of the postgraduate experience. You're distance learners, but the postgraduate experience belongs to you as well. So share with your peers. Use your support systems. Spaceless peer support. There are example dissertations online. Looking at good writing from your peers to pull out departmental expectations is vital. Look at your dissertation handbook. It's very useful information in there. And if you haven't already joined Spaceless, contact your dissertation tutor for information. We hope you found this presentation useful, and good luck with your writing.